If you have a little bit of sanding to do, a sanding block like this is perfect for that. But if you have a lot of sanding to do, you may want a sanding pole.
Well, a pole sander is great for broad surfaces like this, but to go out and buy one, it might cost $20 or $25.
Right.
And the average homeowner wouldn't use it more than a couple of times. So what I have here is an alternative to a pole sander. It's just your everyday sponge mop. What you do is first you just take the sponge off of the mop itself. Here, hold that for me.
All right.
And then you take a full sheet of sandpaper and just put it right onto the screws that are coming off the back of the sponge itself. And wrap it around so you get the whole sponge covered with sandpaper. And then just put it back on the mop head itself.
Well, that's
Put
perfect.
that one through. And here you go. Take one of these little knobs and put them back on for me.
Okay.
Let me see if I can line that up for you. There you go.
Okay. Got that.
Okay, let me put this other one on. You can tighten that up for me. And you'll see that this works great on, because it allows you to sand right near the ceiling. And so a typical 8, even 9-foot ceiling you can reach really easily with this.
Yeah, that's perfect. That works real well, and I guess real easy to change the sandpaper once you wear out a sheet.
Yeah, this lasts surprisingly long because of the backing that the sponge provides. But yeah, you can take it off and switch it in just a matter of seconds.